Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be sharing some valuable tips and advice on how to achieve the perfect smile. A bright, healthy smile can make a huge difference in your appearance and confidence. So let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you get there. Number 1. Understanding the anatomy of your teeth and gums. Before we get into the tips, it's important to have a basic understanding of the anatomy of your teeth and gums. Your teeth are made up of several layers, including the enamel, dentin, and pulp. The enamel is the outer layer that protects your teeth from decay and erosion, while the dentin is the layer beneath the enamel that provides support and structure. The pulp is the innermost layer that contains the nerves and blood vessels that keep your teeth alive. Your gums, on the other hand, are the pink tissue that surrounds and supports your teeth. Understanding the anatomy of your teeth and gums can help you better care for them and prevent dental problems. Number 2. Maintaining good oral hygiene. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for a healthy smile. Brush and floss regularly. And be sure to visit your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. Brush your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes using fluoride toothpaste. And make sure to floss daily to remove any food particles or plaque that your toothbrush may have missed. Regular dental checkups and cleanings can help detect any potential dental problems early on and prevent them from becoming more serious. Additionally, using mouthwash can help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Number 3. Eating a healthy diet. Did you know that what you eat can affect the health of your teeth and gums? Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help prevent dental problems and promote healthy teeth and gums. Foods high in calcium, such as milk, cheese, and leafy greens, can help strengthen your teeth. While foods high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits and broccoli, can help boost your immune system and fight off gum disease. Additionally, avoid sugary and acidic foods and drinks, as these can contribute to tooth decay and erosion. Number 4. Avoiding harmful habits. Avoiding harmful habits, such as smoking and excessive drinking, can not only benefit your overall health but also your dental health. These habits can lead to a range of dental problems, including stained teeth, gum disease, and oral cancer. If you're a smoker or heavy drinker, try to quit or cut back, and consider talking to your healthcare provider for help and support. Number 5. Whitening your teeth. A bright, white smile can make all the difference. Consider using whitening toothpaste or trying at home or professional whitening treatments. Whitening toothpaste can help remove surface stains, while at-home whitening kits, such as strips or trays, can provide more noticeable results over time. Professional whitening treatments, such as laser whitening or bleaching, can provide the most dramatic results but may also be the most expensive. However, be sure to follow instructions carefully and consult with your dentist before starting any treatment. Number 6. Straightening your teeth. Crooked or misaligned teeth can affect the appearance of your smile and increase your risk of dental problems. Orthodontic treatment, such as braces or clear aligners, can help straighten your teeth and improve your bite. Braces are the most common type of orthodontic treatment and consist of metal brackets and wires that are glued to your teeth. Clear aligners, on the other hand, are a more discreet option that use a series of clear, removable trays to gradually shift your teeth into place. While orthodontic treatment can be costly and time-consuming, the benefits can last a lifetime. Number 7. Cosmetic dentistry. If you're looking to make more significant changes to the appearance of your smile, consider cosmetic dentistry. This can include procedures such as veneers, bonding, and gum contouring. Veneers are thin, custom-made shells that are placed over the front of your teeth to improve their shape, size, or color. Bonding involves applying a tooth-colored resin to the surface of your teeth to improve their appearance, while gum contouring can help reshape your gums to create a more symmetrical and aesthetically pleasing smile. Thank you for watching our video on achieving the perfect smile. We hope you found the tips and advice helpful. To take your oral health to the next level, we encourage you to check out the products in our description box below. We've included links to high-quality dental products that can help you maintain good oral hygiene and achieve a brighter, healthier smile. By clicking on these links and purchasing these products, you'll be supporting our channel and investing in your own oral health. And there you have it. Some valuable tips and advice on how to achieve the perfect smile. Remember to maintain good oral hygiene. Eat a healthy diet. Avoid harmful habits. Consider whitening and straightening treatments. And explore cosmetic dentistry if you're looking to make more significant changes. By following these tips and taking care of your teeth and gums, you can achieve a bright, healthy, and confident smile that you'll be proud to show off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.